Okay, so what's up? What is going on, YouTube? I'm your girl Shay. You are watching Glamplified Beauty. If this is your first time seeing this gorgeously lit face, yes. If this is your first time seeing me or knowing of my existence, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Next to that is a bell. Make sure you tap it twice if you're on your phone. If you're on a computer, make sure you hit the settings buttons and make sure you hit receive all notifications so you won't miss another video from me. Okay? So the first video, well, today's video is on this wig here. I already just now opened it. Actually, my sister opened it, and this is the Sensational Bump Collection pre-bumped human hair wig, and this is in the style FAB Fringe. Okay, and it is pre-bumped 100% human hair, and I know it said curl and iron safe somewhere, but I got this in the color number 1. Where is my stock card? Here it is, the stock card. This is what the stock card looks like. Sorry if I seem excited, you know, but this is what she looks like here. I just got a 1B because she doing the most right now. This not finna be me, okay? But yes, 100% human hair from Sensational FAB Fringe wig. And it's a full cap wig in the color number 1. It also comes in these colors here. So yeah, what I'm going to do is put it on. That's why I have this stocking cap here on right now. But I'm going to put it on and style it on camera so you guys can see what I come up with doing this short style wig. Okay, so this is how it looks coming out of the bag. Let me back the camera up a little bit. Nope, back up. Okay, that's as back as it goes. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, so this is how the wig is constructed right here. Let me take this paper out. And this is not like all other kind of wigs, okay? This one only has one comb in the back right here with your adjustable straps. And the front has no combs, just the ear tab from ear to ear. So this is a full cap, and I would say that this is a soft texture, soft yaki texture. Let me get my brush and me comb so we can get it popping. So let go.
Let me be your mirror. You see a little bit clearer.
Alright, y'all, this is I don't know, this is what I kind of came up with. But this hair is very versatile. I can say that. You can style it whichever way have you, whichever you feeling like the day, when you wake up out of the bed. If you want to feel like, I don't know, shit, I don't know, but this will let you know if you need to cut your hair or not, okay? But this is the FAB Fringe Wig from Sensationnel. As you can see, I cut stuff into it, because this right here, that long ass bang they had, I don't know, but look, you could pretty much play in it. You could play in it. You do whatever you want to it. You could put it up like this. It's versatile, and it's just nice and messy, and you could just do what you want. Do how you feel that day. If you just feel like getting up out the bed and putting on a wig and going, you could just, you know, look, you got Keisha Cole old back in the day look right here, or Fantasia back in the day look right here, when she had all her hair in the front. I could probably cut it some more. And then you could just comb it all the way to the side. Comb it all the way to the side and have that one little ugly ass grandma auntie at the barbecue. The family reunion. The family reunion. Family reunion. Family reunion. Who do we have today? My name is Auntie Ann. And I get down on the floor. Auntie Ann. The one who always trying to start the fights and drinking all the damn drinks. Your damn drunken ass aunt. That's who this wig remind me of. But you can still see, I had it cute the way I had it. Now I don't even know what happened. I don't know what happened to it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut some more layers into it, but I will give y'all an update. If y'all want an update on the wig, I will give y'all an update on the wig. But it is I don't know yet for me, simply because I don't know. I guess I'm not used to wearing fucking short ass wig. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at this, look, somebody come look at this. I'm just not used to wearing short ass wigs, so of course it'll always be a hell to the no to somebody who's never worn one. But you know, to each his own, to teach his own, to reach his own. Y'all know the damn saying. I don't need to know it. But and make sure y'all hair is like flat, because right here I have braids that's connecting to each other, and it's making me look like, who is it? Is it one of the Three Stooges? The Three Stooges is Stooges. Whatever. The Three Stooges is Stooge. Them motherfuckers, them stupid motherfuckers. That's who they is. Well, not stupid, but they acted stupid. Mo, Curly, and Low, Mo, and Curly from the Three Stooges. Look. Oh, that's pretty right there, though. But I don't think I'll be going short anytime soon, so don't look for that video. Like I said in one of these videos, I had said, remember, I had said in one of these videos to go and wait for that live. That live ain't coming, y'all. It ain't coming. But I'm pretty sure if I had my hair like way flatter, my braid pattern way flatter, but I was lazy, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I was lazy, okay? But yeah, you can put it on this side if you want to, but I'm not a left side person. But you never know what the left side will look like, so you know, you could flip it over to the, come on this way. Show the people what you're working with. You can put it on this side. See, it looks stupid like this. This is where I got my braid pattern. That's probably why it looked like that right there, but yeah. But anyway, back to the right. We just gonna we gonna leave it right here, just like this, okay? Cause I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fix this damn wig. Y'all gonna see this on a future video. Shit, think I'm playing? I paid my little. I'm gonna have the price somewhere on the video, but I paid my little coin, my real hard-on coin. I need to be sponsored by Sam's Beauty. Hey, Sam's Beauty, how you doing? Let me stop. But yeah. I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Like, give me some advice. What am I supposed to do here? I can't tell. It don't shed. I can tell you that. It does not shed. It does not shed. So, that's a 1. I think I might just cut it as a bang. Like one of them mushroom. Y'all remember the mushroom? Y'all remember those that Rihanna had? But it can turn into something. So it's just how creative are you, you know? Like, are you creative enough to turn a whole nother outfit into something else? Are you creative enough to have a whole makeup look? Like, what is your cup of tea? I don't know. This ain't mine. Alright, I don't know if I fucked up on the cutting, but it's starting to shed a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so I don't know.